Hey everyone! In this video, we will guide you through the process of disabling some unnecessary services to improve your PC's performance. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Firstly, click on the Start menu button located on the bottom left of your screen. Step 2. Open the Task Manager. Next, click on the search bar and type in Task Manager. Once the Task Manager app appears, select it. Step 3. Select the Services tab. Once the Task Manager window opens, select the Services tab. Step 4. Locate the services to disable. The Services tab will list all the services currently running on your PC. To disable a service, right-click on it and select Stop. If you're unsure which services to disable, a quick Google search can provide guidance on what services are necessary and which ones can be safely disabled. Step 5. Disable services on startup. To ensure that the disabled services do not start upon startup, click on the Startup tab. Once there, right-click on any unnecessary services and select Disable. Conclusion: by following these simple steps, you can improve your PC's performance and speed. Make sure to only disable unnecessary services, as disabling critical services can cause issues. To learn more about optimizing your Windows 11 PC, be sure to check out our other videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching.